Hey guys, it's Miss Walker. I hope y'all have had a wonderful break. I hope you're ready to get back to work. And I'm just excited to be back and see all of y'all again. And I miss y'all. I hope y'all are doing well. So what we're going to go over today is kind of it's a it's a very good foundation for equations and inequalities in word problems. Okay, so that's kind of where we're starting this week. On the STAR test, you will definitely have some word problems like these verbal statements you see here, where you have to create your own algebraic statement. Either you select from A, B, C, D, which one represents it the best. You might even have to make your own and then solve it as the next step. But it's definitely something you're going to have to do at least in 7th grade and 8th grade, possibly even in high school. So what you see here's some examples, okay? I will tell you on the parts where you're working, you're only going to be looking at verbal statement and algebraic statement. I kind of took off these first 3 columns just because I felt like it was too much going on for you to do. I'm going to keep it on this example slide just so you can see what their thinking was, but let's do some examples and I'll show you what I expect from you. So this first one says, I want to exceed the most points I have scored in a game, which is 28. Let's represent P with points, or let P represent points. All you need to do, they wrote out some words over here. You don't have to do that. You can just underline the words that tell you what you're doing. So exceed. I know exceed means that you want to do better. You're exceeding the most points you've scored in a game. The most points you've scored is 28. And P represents your points. Those are all things that you're going to need in order to form your algebraic statement. We already know that this symbol means greater than. Whatever's on the left is going to be greater than whatever's over here on the right side. So P is greater than 28. The next one, to receive a children's discount at the movies, you must be under 13. Now, does it say 13 or under, or does it just say under? You need to think about that because that could be the difference between less than or less than and equal to. Under 13 means that it's just less than 13. Once you hit 13, you don't get a discount anymore. So A is less than 13. The third one, your essay must be at least 5 pages. So yes, it can be 5 pages, but it has to be 5 or more. So P has to be greater than or equal to 5. John has a spending limit of $300. So he can spend $300. Can he spend more? No, because that's his limit. That's his budget. Can he spend less? Yes. Can he spend it equal to 300? If he has 300 right there, can he spend it? Yes, he could spend exactly 300. So he could spend 300 or less. And that's represented here. So that's all I expect you to do on these 10 problems. You have 5 problems here, 5 problems on the next slide. Underline the words that tell you what symbol you're using. And if you're not sure what the symbols mean, you can go back to this first slide and here's like a little reminder. If you have any questions at all, inbox me, let me know if you need help. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. See you later.